So today we did a very over the top glam look. You know, if it's your birthday, if it's your friend's birthday, if you're going to the club, if you're going to a concert, whatever the case, you know, this is perfect for that. It's so pretty, glowy. If you like this, if you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I went in and did my eyebrows and primed my face off camera. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Face Primer, and I just did my eyebrows with Milani's Stay Put Brow Pomade in dark brown with the angled brush and the spoolie that comes with it. So, oh, and I concealed them with this concealer palette from Profusion. So now we're gonna do the eyes, and I'm gonna take my Busted Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna take my two little blending brushes. One is fluffier and lighter, and the other one is dense, and I use that to pack on the color. So we're gonna start off with the lighter, fluffier one, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here as my transition shade. So now, after that, I'm gonna go in with the same brush. This shade right here, it's like a red brick type of brown. And I'm gonna lay that just over my crease. So now I'm gonna take the denser brush and go in with this brown right here. For this one, I'm not gonna swipe back and forth at first. I'm just gonna pat it on just to really build up the color, and then I'm gonna blend it out. So I'm just patting like that, and it's only going on the outer crease. So I'm just patting it like that, stopping halfway. So what this is doing is it's just bringing depthness into the outer part of your eye. It's really gonna like make your eyes go like, you know, like cat eyes or whatever. So now I'm just gonna go back in with the first brush and just blend out the outer edges. And this brush has no product on it. Well, no extra product on it. So just lightly blend just the outer edge. Don't go everywhere and blend too much. I've been using the wrong brush this whole time. Okay. Alright, so now we're done doing that. And this is the fun part. Okay, so I'm gonna take this liquid highlighter by Wet n Wild. It's called the Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter in the color Goddess Glow. I've tried to use it as a liquid highlighter. I don't really care for how it blends out, but it's super pretty. It looks like this, and the applicator is like, you know, a doe foot applicator, but it's huge. It's really big. So what I'm gonna do is use this to cut my crease halfway. So this is how the applicator looks. What I do is I just take a little bit, put it on the center of my eye, and then I look up, and wherever it transfers to, that's where I stop my cut crease. But that's it. That's it, and now I'm gonna go on to the next eye. Y'all see how fast that was? Like, so now to put on top, I'm gonna take this gold shade from the Sephora Easy on the Eyes palette, and so I'm gonna take a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna pat it and not swipe it since it's wet. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so now I have both eyes finished, and what I'm gonna do next is go back in with the darkest brown that I used, this one, with that fluffy brush, with the dense brush, and just pack more on the corner. So yeah, that's that. It's really extra. Yeah, I just like to be extra, like, you know, if I'm going out, I'm gonna go out. Okay, so now we're gonna put on some glitter. I got this glitter from the beauty store. It's by the company Magic Collection, and it's really nice. I have a pink one as well, and I really like it. So I'm gonna take this really small, flat, precise brush, and that's what I'm gonna use to apply the glitter. Since we're not applying a lot of it, I don't need a big brush. So to adhere the glitter, I'm gonna use this glitter primer by Color Story. So I dipped my brush and now I'm going to just apply it only in like the inner corner and a little bit out. So now I'm gonna pick up the glitter. I'm just gonna lay it there. I'm kind of like dabbing it towards the edge of it because I don't want it to just be like a harsh line of where the glitter stops. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. And so yeah, we're gonna do that with the next eye. So now we're done with the eyes for the most part, and I'm just going to brush away the glitter. Okay, so now that all of the glitter is off, now we're just gonna go in with our regular basic face routine. Okay, so I did the whole rest of my face off camera because I felt like I did the same thing that I did on my last video. I mean, there was like a few little tweaks to that routine, but I really didn't feel like it was necessary to film it again. So I put this this like pinky gold lip gloss from MAC on in the shade Nymphet. Now I'm about to go over it with this clear lip gloss from the beauty store, just because I really like a glossy lip. And that's it. I put my highlighter on, you know, put my lashes on, same lashes as the last video, the Salon Perfect 614. So yeah, all that there's left to do is spray my face. So I'm using the City Color Matte Setting Spray. Y'all know I like to go in after I spray my face and just tap, you know, so it could really look airbrushed, you know. Yeah, that's it. I think it's so pretty. So yeah, I'm about to go fix my hair so I can do this little outro or whatever. And yeah, so now we're back. It's really cute, isn't it? And it's like really easy, so yeah. It's so different than my last look, huh? Anyway, so yeah, it's just really glowy. It's just so cute. It's so cute. You don't have to do the glitter if you don't want to do the glitter. You can just keep it with the gold eyeshadow or whatever, but you know, who doesn't want to do glitter? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment if you want. Let me know what kind of looks you want to see, what kind of videos you want to see. So yeah, bye.